look deep into nature and then you will understand everything better. With this, we'll start English class. There are so many things around us. You, me, hill, lakes, mountains, animals, birds, everything. If so many things are there, there must be one who has created. If creations are there, creator must be there. That creator we call it as God. Today's topic, the God created me.
God created me. I love the sun, it shines on me.
Sun.
God created the sun and God created me.
Hills.
God created the hills.
Sea.
God created the sea.
Birds.
God created the birds. And God created me. I love the rain, it splash on me.
Rain.
God created the rain and God created me. I love the wind, it blows on me.
Wind.
God created the wind and God created me.
Shailaja, now I'll explain the poem.
Okay, ma'am.
I love the sun, it shines on me. God created the sun and God created me. Shailaja, sun. When you go outside, you can see the sun.
Yes, ma'am.
You can see the sun will be shining very brightly, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? You can see in the afternoon, in the morning, the sun shines brightly.
Very bright.
Shines means throw bright light. Okay. Now, next, the God created the hills, the God created sea. God created the birds and God created me. Here, what the poet is saying, he has created. Who has created all these things? God. You can see hills, mountains, lakes, rivers, oceans. Then birds, not only birds, animals, all different,
insects.
everything as created by God. He has not only created hills, mountains, sea and all. He has created me also. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
I love the rain, it splashes on me. And God created the rain and God created me. Not only hills, mountains and me. He has created rain. He has also created rain. When you go outside, when it is raining, you can see the rain splashes on you.
Yes, ma'am.
Isn't it? It splashes means falls upon. Okay, it will fall upon you, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So he has created rain also. Rain. And he has created me.
Okay, ma'am.
I love the wind, it blows on me. What he is saying? I love the wind. You can see when you go outside, when the wind blows, you can see so many things will be flying.
Yes,
you
ma'am.
can see trees, plants, everything will be
Newspapers and all.
will be flying.
Yes.
You can see that the wind blows. Blows means it moves.
Moose. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. The wind blows on me. God created the wind and God created me.
Yes.
Words. L-O-V-E.
V-E.
Love. Yes.
H-I-N-E.
H-I-N-E. Yes.
Yes.
Shines. C-R-E-E-D.
C-R-E-E-T-E-D.
Created. Yes.
U-N.
Sun. H-I-L-L.
H-I-L-L.
Yes.
Yes.
Ills.
Ills.
S
Yes.
E
E.
A
A.
C.
C.
L
L.
I
I.
G
G.
H
H.
T
T.
will be
Light.
flying.
Light.
You can see trees, plants, everything
B,
will be
Newspapers.
I
I.
Will be flying.
Or
You can
R,
see the
B,
wind
yes,
blows.
yes.
Blows means
Birds.
it moves.
Birds. Moves.
or okay.
Or
The
A,
sun,
A.
I
I.
blows on
N.
rain.
Rain.
God created the wind and God created
Yes.
me.
P.
L
L.
A
A.
S
Yes.
H
H.
E
E.
yes.
Yes.
Splashes.
Splashes.
R
R.
A
A.
I
I.
N
N.
rain.
Rain.
W
W.
I
I.
N
N.
D
D.
wind.
Wind.
B
B.
L
L.
O
O.
W
W.
yes
Yes.
blows.
Blows.
G
G.
O
O.
D
D.
God.
God.
T
T.
H
H.
R
R.
O
O.
W
W.
yes
Yes.
throws.
Throws.
L
L.
A
A.
N
N.
D
D.
land.
Land.
M
M.
O
O.
V
V.
E
E.
yes
Yes.
moves.
Moves.
F
Yeah.
A
A.
L
L.
L
L.
fall.
Fall.
Shailaja, once again, shall we repeat?
Okay, ma'am.
L-O-V-E, love.
L-O-V-E, love.
S-H-I-N-E-S,
S-H-I-N-E-S,
shines.
shines.
C-R-E-A-T-E-D,
C-R-E-A-T-E-D,
created.
created. Yes.
S-U-N,
U-N,
sun.
sun.
H-I-L-L-S,
H-I-L-S,
ills.
ills.
S-E-A,
S-E-A,
C, L-I-G-H-T,
G-H-T,
light.
light.
B-I-R-D-S,
B-I-R-D-S,
birds.
birds.
R-A-I-N,
R-A-I-N,
rain.
rain.
S-P-L-A-S-H-E-S,
S-P-L-A-S-H-E-S,
splashes.
splashes.
B
B
R
R
I
I
G
G
H
H
T,
T,
bright.
bright.
B
B
R
R
I
I
G
G
H
H
T,
T,
bright.
bright.
W
W
I
I
N
N
D,
D,
wind.
wind.
B
B
L
L
O
O
W
W
yes,
yes,
blows.
blows.
G
G
O
O
D,
D,
God.
God.
T
T
H
H
R
R
O
O
W
W
yes,
yes,
throws.
throws.
L
L
A
A
N
N
D,
D,
land.
land.
M
M
O
O
V
V
E
E
yes,
yes,
moves.
moose.
F
F
A
A
L
L
L
L
fall.
fall.
Shailaja, you have to learn these words.
Hard words. Okay, ma'am.
Now next meaning.
Meaning,
Okay.
ma'am.
Word meaning.
Word.
W
W O
O
O
R
R
D.
D.
Word
Word.
M
M
E
E
A
A
N
N
I
I
N
N
G.
G.
Meaning.
Meaning.
Afterwards you have to underline it.
Okay, ma'am.
Now first one shines. S
S
H
H
I
I
N
N
E
E
S.
yes
Shines.
shines
T H
T H
R
R
O W.
O W
Throws.
throws
Bright.
bright
B
B
R I
R I
G
G
H
H
T.
T throws
Bright.
bright
Light.
light
L I
L I
G H T.
G H T
Light.
light
Splashes. S
ashes yes
P
P
L
L
A
A
S
yes
H
H
E
E
S.
yes
Splashes.
splashes
F A
F A
L L
L L
S.
yes
Falls.
falls
U
U
P
P
O
O
N.
N
Falls upon.
falls upon
B
B
L
L
O
O
W.
W
Blow.
blow
Yes.
yes
Blows.
blows
B L O
B L O
W S.
W S
Blows.
blows
M O
M O
V
V
E
E
yes.
yes
Moves.
moves
Once again, shall we repeat?
okay ma'am
Word meaning.
word meaning
Shines.
shines
Throws.
bright light
Splashes.
splashes
Falls upon.
falls upon
Blows.
blows
Moves. Shailaja, first main and second main. You have to write neatly and you have to learn the words. While writing, you have to say and write. And you have to pronounce and write neatly.
okay ma'am
Okay, children.
thank you ma'am
Thank you.